Tonight's dinner is pistachio crusted salmon. What all goes into pistachio crusted salmon?
2 wild-caught salmon fillets,
You want them rinsed and patted dry. Salt and pepper to taste. 1 clove garlic minced. I'm going to use the already minced. 1 tablespoon olive oil. 1/4 teaspoon Dijon mustard. 2 tablespoons lemon juice, freshly squeezed. 1 tablespoon honey. 1/3 cup pistachios. So let's begin. First thing that we need to do is preheat our oven to 375. I have 2 wild-caught salmon fillets. I went ahead and rinsed them and patted them dry. And they call for having the skin on them. And then salt and pepper to your taste. And set it aside. Take a small bowl, dump in your garlic and your mustard. Your olive oil. Your honey. And your lemon juice. And then mix that up completely. Get your salmon back. Take your little mixture that you just mixed up and spread it evenly over the salmon. And they say that if you have the salmon with the skin on, it'll hold the salmon more with its shape. With the rest of the honey mixture, dump in your chopped pistachios and mix that up. Until it is fully saturated. Then you take your salmon and your pistachio mix and spread that on until it covers the salmon. And with the honey, it should help it stick on the salmon. And do the same with the other salmon. Then put your baking sheet that's lined with parchment and your pistachio crusted salmon. Put that in the oven that is set at 375 for 15 to 20 minutes or until it's flaky. So the salmon is fresh out of the oven. We'll let it set for 5 minutes to rest. So here is the pistachio crusted salmon, and rounding out the meal is butter and garlic rice, garnished with tomato slices. I'll get my husband to do a taste test.
What is this?
Pistachio crusted salmon.
Pistachio crusted salmon. Okay. For those of you that don't know, I just drove like 540 miles, walked in the door, changed out of my uniform and put this on, and now I'm doing a taste test. So I generally don't know what anything is going to be until I get home or until I sit down at the table. Is that a piece of paper or does it still have the skin on it?
It still has the skin on it.
Okay. It has an interesting flavor. It's kind of a sweetness to it. I'm not sure. Does it have sugar in it?
It has honey.
Oh, okay.
That's to hold the pistachios on the salmon.
Oh, that makes sense. Okay. I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.